Do you want to know how to take care of your cacti and succulents? Welcome to the world of these desert beauties, uniquely captivating and increasingly popular in home gardens. Their distinctive allure lies in their resilience and minimalist elegance. Stay tuned to learn some essential care tips for your desert plants. Water is life, but too much of it can be harmful for your desert plants. Cacti and succulents are unique in their watering needs. They thrive when watered deeply, but infrequently, to mimic the rainfall patterns in their natural desert habitats. Overwatering these plants can lead to root rot, a common killer. So, it's crucial to let the soil dry out completely between watering sessions. And remember, when in doubt, it's better to underwater than overwater. Just like us, cacti and succulents love a good dose of sunshine. These desert beauties thrive best in plenty of indirect light, ensuring they don't scorch while still getting the energy they need for growth. So, make sure your plants get their daily dose of bright, indirect sunlight. The right soil and pot can make a huge difference in your plant's health. You see, cacti and succulents thrive in well-draining soil. This prevents water from sitting around the roots, which can cause rot. As for the pot, size matters. A pot too big can lead to overwatering, while a pot too small can stunt growth. So aim for a pot that's just right for your plant's size. Choosing the right soil and pot can set up your plants for success. Taking care of cacti and succulents is not as intimidating as it might seem. Remember, they need less water than you might think. Overwatering is a big no-no. They love sunlight, but not too much. Partial shade works wonders too. And the right soil? It's crucial. A well-draining mix can make a world of difference. With these tips, you're well on your way to having happy, healthy desert plants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.